Do you have some leftover SuckleBusters chili or pinto beans, don't know what to do with it? Or you just want to have a big tailgate? Try these tostadas. Let me show you how to do it with our recipe. Now for the tostadas, you could buy tostadas already crispy, or you could just take corn tortillas and run them on your Blackstone. I'm running them through a little bit of bacon grease. So pull the tostados off the grill, they're ready to go. The next step is prep our beans. I take the beans to our blaze cooktop, put them on, smash them, make a nice refried bean. Time to do our first assembly. We got our SuckleBusters pinto beans, which we've smashed into refrieds, our SuckleBusters chili, and our cheese sauce. Just take a little bit of the beans, put it on the tostados, spread it out evenly, just like that, okay? The next is the chili. You want a nice thin, even layer of the chili, just like that. And then we're gonna add our cheese dip, and it's gonna kind of just bind it all together and hold it in place while we cook it on the grill. Assembly's done. Time to take these to the grill. It's gonna melt the cheese, get it all spread out, and give it a nice smoky flavor. Tostadas are hot, fresh off the grill. Now it's time to do the final assembly. I like to start off with a little Texas Heat Chipotle pepper sauce. Just gives it a little extra kick. Next step, fresh onion. Just pat those down a little bit. Then a little fresh sliced jalapenos. Can't get too many of those. I like to add a little bit of avocado. Makes it taste really, really good. Nice and creamy. And then top it off, just a little bit of salsa. Makes it look good. And a shot of Texas gunpowder. Brother, that is a Texas tostada. The next time you have some leftover SuckleBusters chili and pinto beans and you're ready to tailgate, tostada. It don't get any better than this. Hey, thanks for stopping by for the SuckleBusters tailgate recipes. If you want the full recipe for the chili or the pinto beans, check it out right there. Come back to see us.